Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ashwini and I have a small crochet boutique called Naughty Collection. The holiday season is just around the corner, and what a better way than sharing with you guys a list of curated Christmas crochet free patterns that you can make today. So let's get started. So first we'll look at some timeless Christmas characters. So we'll begin with our Santa Claus. So isn't this the cutest pattern, you guys? I have made two of these and these are free patterns on YouTube. So all these are free patterns. I'll link them down below. So don't you worry guys, I have got you. So this is a free pattern and I have two of these guys. This could be such a cute ornament also. So I had made these as ornaments, but you can also just make these without the hanging thing like the string, and you can keep this on your fireplace. Or yeah, this is a perfect gift for holiday season. They are so cute. So the next would be our snowman. So this is also a free pattern and I have two of these. My cat are curling up, but yeah, so you get the gist, right? So these are small cute snowmans, and if you see, these are very small, so it's quick to make. You can also use a plushie like Chanel yarn to make a bigger one. The size would be big, but yeah, you can use the same pattern, so you don't have to worry about that. But yeah, this is made with acrylic yarn, as that's my preference. But yeah, you can make with any yarn and this would look so cute, you guys. So I have some snowmans. Then I have the crowd favorite, the Grinch. So look at those eyes. Oh my god, he's awesome. So all these are from the like these two, and I had a elf but I sold that. So all these are from the same creator. So these are perfect sizes, and yeah, you can make multiple of different characters. I think she also has a Mrs. Santa Claus. She has elf in that, and so also she has Mrs. Grinch, so a female and a male version. So yeah, it's cute, you guys. Oh my god, I just love the Grinch. That's my favorite, and Santa as well. So these are some of the characters. And then I have elf. This is another elf. So, and it has curls, you guys. Just look at him. He's pink, but yeah, you can make it in any color. And yeah, look at the ears. And isn't he the cutest, you guys? Just look at him. Yeah. And this creator, as I said, I always forget the names, and I'm scared that I won't pronounce it well, so everything will be linked down below. So this artist also has a Santa Claus pattern. So you see, this guy is so cute, and this is made in fully acrylic yarn. And here I wanted to try something else because you see, like, it's Santa Claus. I wanted it to be cozy, so I used this slim Chanel yarn. It had newly come last year, so I wanted to give it a try, and I got that. So I have used acrylic yarn, a yarn that you get from Michaels, the acrylic yarn. I've used that, and so this is also acrylic, but this is Sweet Snuggles, like the light, the skinny version, and here as well. So I had got it in red, so I just use that for the clothes. So when you touch it, it gives a nice cozy feeling, but the face and everything is acrylic yarn. So I always like to mix and match yarns to see how it looks. So yeah, this was one of my testing pieces. But yeah, isn't he cutest? He has a nice beard and stuff, you guys, and it's so soft, and it's small but it's so cozy. So something like this would also work. So yeah, so these two patterns she has. You can use many colors. She has options, so you can go through her YouTube channel and check it out. So, and these are very simple, so it could be beginners friendly or intermediate. But yeah, so these are the classics. So next would be some home decor items. So I saw this cute like Christmas tree. It's made up of bobble stitches and it is a free pattern on YouTube. I'll put it right here. It's so cute, you guys, like gives you nice aesthetic feelings. You could put this on your coffee table. You could make it in a set of 3 with varying heights, and yeah, it's gorgeous. So something to try would be a house decor thing for Christmas. So, and these are also very quick to make. So yeah, something you could give it a try. And you could make some small Christmas ornaments that could be a very cute gift, like handmade. It would have a handmade touch to it. So you could do that, or for your dining table you could make some icons. So there are also free patterns on this, so you could try that out if you want to give something. You could also make some small stars or moons, which are also cute as an ornament. During my last market, someone bought the frog because their mom was obsessed with frog, and it was in, I think this market was in August or something, but they bought it for Christmas. So he was like, I wanted something for my mother and I'll give this to her as an Christmas ornament. So yeah, very thoughtful. So you could do something like this, a small character that you can, hang on your tree. So you could try that. So for the next category, you could keep it fun. Like if you are creating a small character or something, for example, this cute ducky, you could just make a Christmas hat and stick it here. So this also gives you a Christmas vibe, isn't it? So like try making like small hats like this, and then you can stick it on any like if you have a pre-made toy, you could stick it on that and it can become a Christmas gift. So for example, I have a cat, or yeah, I have a black cat here, right? So you could put it on her head like this, and this could be a Christmas gift as well. So it doesn't have to be particularly made. If you have a pre-made toy, so you could try and make this is also a free pattern. I found it online, so you could just, yeah, crochet, and this can be your cute little Christmas cat. Isn't it fun? And there is a proper Christmas cat pattern that also I will link. And to make it fun and quirky, you could do something like this. Isn't she the cutest? So I made this, and I made this last Christmas, and she's still with me. So she was like my showstopper for my Christmas market last year. This year I'm not doing any Christmas market, but yeah, last year I did, and this was my showstopper. I was so lazy to make like these balls, like the light bulbs that go around here her. So instead I used this pom-poms that I got from Michael's, and I like put it through a black string, and yeah, I think it works as light. And then for the stick, I didn't have a stick that time, so and I when I was crocheting, I broke one of my crochet hook. So it was white in color, and then I just used the broken part, like so. Work around, you guys. So yeah, so I made this, and isn't she the cutest? This is also free pattern, by the way, and I'll put it down below. It takes a little bit time, but yeah, if you start working now, you'll definitely get this done by Christmas for sure. So if you want something like this to put near your shelf or Christmas, like you can make this and keep this as a decor piece and then bring it out during Christmas. So yeah, so this is a cute little she's grumpy, you guys, she's very angry. So yeah, something like this would also work if you have the time. So the next category would be something like is practical and which is gift for all. And you could make some coffee mug covers, like for like which is practical, can be used, and a cute gift, like it's handmade, it has sentimental values. Could also do like bookmarks, like this is fun cute items and a great stocking stuffers. So you could do that. So don't forget your furry friend, you guys. You could crochet some balls for your dogs or small mice for the cats. So this is also like a fun idea for, and of course you have to include them during your Christmas gifting, so make sure you make something for them. Yeah, so this were like fun Christmas ideas that you could make this Christmas. And it's just the beginning of November, so don't be disheartened, you still have got time, and these are some last minute gift ideas that you could definitely give it a try this year. And all these are free pattern, you guys, so everything will be linked down below. And I hope my video inspires you to make something for this holiday season. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below, as I said, any questions. And also follow me on Instagram, Naughty Collection. So see you guys around. Happy crocheting. Bye.